If you are a relatively new Excel user, you might not be familiar with how to move and otherwise work with worksheets inside of a workbook. In this movie, I will show you some of the most common tasks for managing worksheets within a workbook. My sample file is called Manage Worksheets, and you can download it using the link that I provide in the video description below. In this workbook, I have 5 worksheets, and I'll press Control Page down to move to the right from worksheet to worksheet, and Control Page up, now that I'm at the last one, to move to the left on the tab bar at the bottom left portion of the program window. Now, let's say that I want to change the order of the worksheets. For example, instead of having my third sheet with store sales broken down by category as a bar chart, that I want to have that after yearly sales for year by category. So for that, I can move the mouse pointer over the tab on the tab bar for my worksheet, then hold down the left mouse button, and you can see that I have a differently shaped mouse pointer, and I'll drag it to the right. And just above where I'm holding the mouse pointer now, there is a downward pointing black triangle, and that indicates where the worksheet will end up when I drop it. So if I were to move it all the way to the right, it would show after store category stacked, but in this case I wanted to go after year category, so I'll drop it there, and it's still displayed, but now it's in a different position. So if I press Control Page up to go to year category, it is displayed here. And you can move multiple worksheets at a time. So if I want to put year and quarter and year category at the end, then I could, with year category selected, hold down the Control key and click year quarter, and then drag the two of them to the right so that they are after store category stacked. So because I have the two of them selected at the same time, I was able to drag them as a unit. And that's exactly like copying and pasting values from 2 cells that you selected. Another thing you can do is delete a worksheet. So let's say that I want to delete store category stacked, because that shows basically the same value here as store category bars. So I'll click there, and then right-click the Sheet tab, and then I will click Delete. And a very important warning box will appear. It reminds me that Microsoft Excel will permanently delete this sheet. Do you want to continue? If I click Delete, the worksheet is gone for good. It can't be recovered, and the only thing that can save you is if you close the workbook without saving your changes, and if the worksheet was there the last time you saved, then it will return, but all of the work that you did after the last time you saved will be lost. In this case, I do want to get rid of it, so I'll click Delete, and the worksheet is gone. Also note that I can't undo it, and if I press Control Z, nothing happens. So the worksheet really is gone, but I haven't saved my changes yet, so I could get it back if I wanted to. I hope you enjoyed the movie. If you did, please like it and subscribe to my channel.